Nigo nande jaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mubaso lituko liaramisi gitarigi 11 momotinyo gatano mu mwaka w'2022 akerone aliganire ligo kwa mangana bunagendete gwateka imenesko ya Gusii asenze meli yoko ya chutia iriyo manyana aliganete koreka ime na isko ya Gusii kareki na keri keko ligereri oko oboremo kose boundary useme chimbebe ase county ya Kisii amo na Nyamira nena se county ya sensema ya Keroka kegendete gotegererwa ase county eri ya Nyamira nena ase Nyamira Land and Environmental Code ase litiko lero boigo abamenyi bensemo yogembo nigo bono bagendete konyoro bobweni bwa maiso magigayinya gitari yemo gwika senseme ya Kerote de kwigororo sagi ase enseme yungati yali amake na kwarianiria simo gasobono kugobole bena inje goikomo elio bunabotambunya yore bunaendete gwateka imenesko ya Gusii kuruchingo ngonye chenze eimocha irianyi sugusu amo nabosongo abigeri nyanjama neno kene kibnago chiri wetera sinjira ya mariogi amo nechibicha iriane Brighton Makori kubatakana no kungusana na koli kwe negativu ya sensemo ya Keroka anene ekero bako chimbebe chiko bunwa sensemeli nigabone kine kyuke getivu ase kambira seri tukurero kyagendera ase koteli ya Nyamira iledende chindemero amo nebinto biri bitwe tanaine kolengana na chief kolengana na just mugo kamau oyo bono orange korai kine kyo nigabona nyarire gakobolia Mosio wekiombe gerige chimbebe amo nobochori IBC amo nomotereri wekiombe yechindemero amo babaliki bamangana yechindemero se county ya Kisii amo neria Nyamira ochigo kambera sidari kemero ngebere na Isano amo namasakara amo nebintu bikoro kibuna nkai bamanyete ginge kikere osengai Keroka ere asebugale ayo naragendeta se koti ya Nyamira Land and Environment Code konede turanyora ngakiagendeta senseme.
To be careful and cautious how you handle the matter and to restrain yourselves. The matter is not one of life and death. At the end of the day, whoever is supposed to collect the revenue, you collect it. And whoever has collected revenue unlawfully will have to surrender that revenue. And who has not provided services when you were supposed to provide, we have only 4 and something years to go before the members of the public come and demand an audit. So let's exercise restraint in the matter. I've told you it's not a matter of life and death. And in any case, whoever is collecting the revenue, yes.
Omoliki itobono job mahangi no arasi kigambere kyekerendete kutubwatiri roboti uru asenjero wegeranu akorwaligania no chikoronyora gikoragense yemo yabono marogoba kalutoko kurwa sensemeyo nigotoko enda goika sensemeri yogembo asibona bamenyi bensemeyo bagendete konyoro bobweni bwa maiso ayo nigo aletwa nenyagitari ya maiso osemayigata na Kisii High Hospital ekero bakuragwa n'umunyagitari omonene bunyagitari yo Daniel Kiage oyo ene kiribuna nigo bochkwigororo sagi asensemeyo eriko konya bamenyi bensemeyo eriko nyorobo bweni anene bwa maiso.
As a social enterprise, we use our medical skills or medical knowledge, the business discipline, because we have to do it as a business, and compassion to ensure that that can be done, that all can get high quality eye care services. The project we have here is called a Vision Center. A Vision Center is a new word actually. It's not just something we just pick like that to call it a place. It's a new concept which is sweeping around the world. But as usual, Africa gets left behind. And we're very proud that, at least for Kenya, we're trying to introduce a concept of vision centers. So a vision center is a permanent health facility that gives primary eye care in rural and semi-rural areas so that people can be screened.
Unenjere ya moyo wajikwenda kiuna jisemi cha siriru ya sense ito ya Kenya nigabono mugumende bwe county ya Meru Elizabeth Kailemia anyarire kagotogi murayibu ensanene asengwaniri atetabuna gosimya kerebosyo nichikomende kiganja kie chibese ejiji kuchikosomia abana bunekerenge kemo gyokwenda kubuna abana bonsi ngwenda barasi school na konyora masomo ali atakeire asenjere yo kuchikwe konya ujasa matuko harebosyo.
Was a directive from the president that there is no child who should be at home. Whether school fees or school uniforms, everybody should be at school. And the chiefs have got that responsibility of making sure that every child has gone to school.
We feel that those who are benefiting from the MCA or the governors and the MP, if at all we could sit as a team, both the governor, the MP and the women lab, maybe we can reach a bigger number because we won't have people recurring. Because maybe apparently the MCA is giving the MP and maybe we don't have a data of who is benefiting.
Kubotekana na mangana aliagenda dego singire na kubwati ya chikanisa nene aliakorekanda sensemo ya Shakaura nikabona babota nibe chikanisa nene kurwase county ya Wasinigishu banyarire bakoboria unalichiko bono ndidakire kuligiririwa na barandi babekeruri chiko na gotwara kiriye koro kiuna nigo barabarandi bekene gosebali banjere asense ya Kenya nigo bono bateruna barabukuru wase county ya Sinigishu nigo bono bachakire kuligireria na kolingoli na kumanya barandi bali barase county hiyo gose nigo bale abarandi bekene.
Jadili mambo ya amani katika county yetu ya Wasinigishu na tumejadili maadili ndani ya watoto wetu katika mashule. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo pia ni vema tuweze kuiweka wazi kwamba yale mambo ambayo yanafanyika Mombasa ni mafundisho ya upotovu na walimu wa uongo. Na ni tofauti kubwa sana kati ya kanisa na dini ya uongo. Kwamba dini ya uongo baadhi ya hulka zake ni kwamba inazingatia mtu kibinafsi na pia mafundisho yao ni mafundisho ambayo si halali ya kibibilia. Kwa mfano wanazingatia pia sadaka ya wanadamu na viungo vya wanadamu. Kwa hivyo mkiona mambo kama hayo, si vema kusema kanisa limepotoka kwa sababu hilo si kanisa haswa. Na huyo si mchungaji haswa. Huyo ana mambo yake ambayo ni kinyume na mafundisho ya Kikristo. Lakini kanisa ambalo linazingatiwa ni kanisa ambalo misingi zake ni zina kanuni za kibibilia na doctrine yake ni nzuri sana. Na kwa hivyo tunaongea juu kwamba Mungu atusaidie tuweze kuzingatia kanisa ambazo hazina upotovu, ambazo ziko na ile inaitwa institutions na iko na katiba na kanuni ambazo zinaelekeza kila moja na zimerejistiwa na
Munenjere mo yo kwene kibuna Kenya ngo jere go ikiranio kugani kolipu go simeke mete go menge go ikomwaka ujirubere na 30 na Ibere ni gesukuru yo bobundi ya Karuma ayajagire kwene kibuna nkubwati siere serikali eri go simeke mete menge na gokonya lire go sigokonya ndoto yumurayibwense yo mwako yujirubere na 20 nesito bakorawa no mworoke monene bwesukuru yo France kanywa ni adone inere nchera yamo yo wikirania amagani yense anekero ogochenji kwelire kwenda de gochanda ebinte binge osugonjori kwelire kwaletire emechando asense engima.
Getting the Karuma zone because it is kind of a semi-arid and we want to make it green than it is now. Again, considering the climate change, the only way we can manage to improve our climate, it is ensuring we have enough trees, and that is why as Karuma fraternity we are embracing this noble task.
The species which should be planted here, most of them are acacia, both siamea and acacia, single flare.
Kazi yetu kwa sasa ni kumiki sure watu wamepanda miti kwa manyumba yao, mboma zao, mashamba yao, kwa institutions kama hizi, the public lands within the location. Tunahakikisha kila mahali miti imepandwa na imetunzwa mpaka iweze kukua.
Abana sigo saba Teresa Kurwasi county ya Homa Bay ni gobono babodi serikali ye county yuko babwade sinakwena kwenango kini bale birengo by'abachenu ase county baukwana ni waderuna ba Teresa ni babwatega singia na ndengongu ye kwirira bune birengo by'abachenu ngo kinubire anengo kinubire anene ase county eri ya Homa Bay.
The nursing fraternity really needs a lot of support in terms of staffing, in terms of commodities. If we get good leadership to make us move, then we can make it a notch higher.
Who has really supported the health sector. We have seen a great change. We have seen the referral hospital really transformed in different wards like the maternity.
Ekiombe kiri yokorenga gosoborito bw'ekigali ase chinsemo awa gose chigali ebintu bibogoreti wabibwato borito bonge anena sensemo ya pusia nigo bono bachakiri enchera yekerero ibara chikutumika korra oborito bw'ekigali chibogoreti akaro chigweta sensemo gosa chibara che county ya pusia
to improve the systems and improve the effectiveness of operation at the rail bridge, especially at Gusii bridge. We have installed the high-speed way in motion at both sides, Gusii bound and Kampala bound and Kisumu bound, and this has in a big way assisted in featuring the tracks so that we don't have to weigh every track. If you are going through the corridor and the trunk road and you have maybe you are empty, your track is empty, we have no reason to really weigh you. So the system itself will automatically clear you so that we proceed with the journey without necessarily having to come to weigh at the multi-deck.
Yesu watongereni korwa sensemeri ya pungo marituko lero nigakagera guchigo ikiwase kigambero osata gero guchigo ikase kigambero anene kwiraneri amabori arabori gukorengana ne dini ya sensemeyo ya Bungoma konda buri tukurigaro ntanyarede kagoika azichobi cyabanyanyimbo abo baraitwe no police commander bwensemeyo Franciscoli oyu muringoleti nagatabekerenga ya Yesu watongoroli goikase osio bwa basikari kusabanyanyimba buri tukurigaro chikoikiwase ekambero.
Wajua sisi tunaenda na mambo na ripoti za ambazo nafikia polisi na ripoti ambayo inahusu wananchi na taifa nzima inapoletwa, basi sisi kama idara ya polisi tunaita huyo mtu ambaye anahusishwa akuja ajielezee. Hatujaenda pale, hatujatuma askari kwenda kumshika, lakini tunataka kumsikiza, na baada ya kumsikiza tujue hatua gani itakayofuata. Na sisi tuna kitu ya mwanzo ni kuangalia kumsikiza huyu ndugu. Baada ya kumsikiza ndio hapo sasa kutakuja na masuala ya kipolisi na kisheria, tutamuoji kulingana na hizo njia. Kama kuna ufunjaji wa sheria tutamuelezea pia kulikuwa na ufunjaji wa sheria. Lakini wakati huu siwezi kusema kwamba kumekuwa na ufunjaji wa sheria kwa sababu tayari ni mahojiano. Katika nafasi hii ya mahojiano hautakuja kusema kwamba amefunja sheria. Ni mpaka tukue na mahojiano, na baada ya mahojiano ndio itatuelekeza ni hatua gani kama kuna ufunjaji wa sheria. Kwa hiyo sasa utaratibu ni ya mahojiano, tumalize mahojiano ndio tujue mkondo upi hii safari ita.
Ayubano narona korenia se jinse jiga korende yona chikoraga Chinsa 18 seye enigomanyi aralyanda the wateka menaisko ya Gusii kuboli kwa nagenda kurira Ndizi nero wansmosi endibwe manyi aralyanda the wateka menaisko ya Gusii abugeri nyanjama na twabwaterana kwene kuna mali ugine chibichago cheira sinjera ya bene iriane Brighton Makori.